In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Copilot in Outlook. Copilot offers suggestions in your inbox, helps draft replies, and shows a side panel of insights. If you prefer a distraction-free mailbox or need to limit AI features for privacy or compliance, turning it off is simple. Start in Outlook and click the gear icon in the upper right corner to open Settings. This appears in Outlook on the web, the new Outlook for Windows, and Outlook for Mac. If it's not visible, expand the window or close Pop-UPS. Inside Settings, open General, then Privacy and Data, and select Privacy Settings. This controls how Outlook uses your information and which intelligent features are active. On this page, find the Copilot option and switch it off. This disables AI-generated draft suggestions and the Copilot panel. The change affects the current app and account. For multiple accounts, repeat the steps. Some versions may have a dedicated Copilot section in Settings. Use the on-off switch there if available. After changing the setting, restart Outlook to apply it fully. Close and reopen the app completely. On the web, refresh the tab or reopen Outlook. When Outlook restarts, Copilot tools should no longer appear. If they do, the setting may be managed by your organization. Contact your IT administrator for help. You can always turn Copilot back on by returning to the same settings path. Disabling Copilot does not delete messages or files. It only removes AI assistants. Your email and calendar continue to function as usual. That's it. You now know how to disable Copilot in Outlook quickly and confidently.